Hello and welcome to this video. Today I want to talk about a problem that every software engineer has, and that's sitting in a chair for a very long time every day, and a simple solution, and that's a standing desk. I will give you my review after using this Flexispot standing desk that you can see in the background for now more than 1 year. But before we do that, let me introduce myself. My name is Florian. My mission is to help you become a better software engineer or a better software engineering leader, to help you making the step from a programmer to an actual software engineer. Let's get back to the standing desk. I bought the desk in November 20 when I realized that this whole pandemic and working from home thing is not just a phase, but something that's a little bit more permanent, and that it's time to actually upgrade my desk setup. I bought the standing desk frame from Flexispot, the model EN1, for 190 euros at that time. You still get it for around that price if you are in Europe. In the US it sells for round about 240 US dollars. I bought it myself. I'm no way affiliated with Flexispot, and they also don't pay for this review in any way. So everything I will say here is my opinion, and nobody paid for my opinion. That might also be a hard thing to do. I opted for the frame because I already had an IKEA tabletop that was still perfectly good, and I just wanted to replace or upgrade my normal frame to a sit-stand frame so that I would be able to stand up and then also make my Apple Watch happy and close all the rings. The assembly of the frame was quite easy. They say in the instructions it's a two-man job. I would say apart from actually at the end flipping the desk, you can do it also on your own. And depending on your individual fitness, you might also be able to do the flipping on your own, even though it's not recommended to do that. The desk comes with a keypad. They call it keypad. It has, in this case, 3 memory positions where you then can just have the position set, and then you just hit 1, 2, or 3 and it automatically goes to this position. It also has a alarm that you can set, where it then basically will remind you after some time sitting that you should stand up. I have my Apple Watch for this, so I don't need the alarm, but some people might find that useful. Also, from the overall build quality and stability, the desk frame is really solid. It doesn't matter whether it's up or down, it still feels solid and it's not wobbling at all or feels in any way insecure. My wife uses the same desk, and also from a noise level point of view while going up and down, it's absolutely no problem in an office environment. You can use it while you are in a video call and have it moving. So what's my recommendation after using the desk for more than 1 year now? It's definitely worth the money. It's on the cheaper end of standing desks. I'm sure the more expensive ones have more feature, can carry more weight, but to be honest, I'm really happy with this model and I don't miss any particular feature. The only thing that I might consider is to actually buy some castles that are also available from Flexispot, so I can move this desk also around and can also use it for shooting videos in front of my backdrop, or just move it around in the office for some other camera angles and stuff like that. So I recommend it. As I said, I will put links down in the description. And now I'm interested also, what's your opinion? Do you use a standing desk? Are you maybe also interested in a desk setup video where I present my full desk setup? So please let me know down below in the comments. Also leave a thumbs up if you found this video useful. And of course, if you are interested in software engineering and how to become a better software engineer, then please consider subscribing this channel. Thank you, and I will see you in the next video.